Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Tony. Today's DIY video, we are doing some planters using this empty noodle cup and a water bottle I had cut out and painted a while back and I haven't used yet. Another bottom of a 1.5 liter water bottle and some natural fiber ribbons, but our main materials would be these popsicle sticks. I had two different lengths here and some wooden cutouts of butterflies I had laying around, and we will also need some double-sided tapes and of course some scissors, and I forgot to show you the glue. We need that too, and these are all the materials we need for this project. So starting off with the noodle cup, I had placed a double-sided tape around the middle portion of the cup, and then we are ready to secure the shorter popsicle sticks around it. And since it's kind of slanted, so our popsicle sticks would be slanted when we attach it to the surface. And I had finished putting in or attaching the popsicle sticks, and it will leave us with a gap in between the sticks like so. And how I managed to cover it up, we just cut out some more sticks in or with an angle and then just cover up the gap or the space like that. On to the next step, we are going to cover the bottom with twine, and we attach this by using glue. So I had placed some glue where I wanted the twine to start circling the cup from the bottom, and just twirled it around and around the cup until I reached the bottom and completely covered the exposed portion of the cup. So this is how it's looking after I'm done with that, and I've decided to cover the white portion, upper portion of the cup as well with twine. So again, I've placed some glue to where I want to start my twine to twirl around the cup. There's a trick I use to do this securely. So with the cup, or you pull the cup towards you and the twine away from you with a little bit of pressure so it's not loose when you attach it to the surface of your project. And this is how it looks like. You can actually end it here, but I wanted to add more decor on this planter, so I had the wooden butterflies attached to the top portion of the planter, and I just attached it with glue. So this is how it's gonna look like. I've actually added more, and I'll show you the finished project at the end. Now for our second planter, I've got the bottom part of this water bottle, and I've attached, or I've put some double-sided tape around it and made sure to press around so your tape is securely on the water bottle. And then with the longer sticks, so I just stuck it on the sides of the water bottle, and I made sure to press each of them so it's not going to fall off anytime. And just to secure the sticks onto the plastic container, I have wrapped around a double-sided tape on the planter, and I have decided to put some twine around it like what I did on the first project. So the width of my twine here is the same width as my double-sided tape. And with this ribbon, I have decided to weave it around the top portion of the planter. So just secure the ribbon inside with some glue, and then you just weave it through the circle or the space in between the sticks. One stick in, one stick out, and then you just do the same thing over and over until you reach the top portion of your planter. And what I did here, after I'm done, I put another ribbon just below where I had woven the ribbon at the top portion of the planter. So for our last and third planter project, I've decided to cut this out or to shorten the length or the height of our planter, and I'm going to use the longer popsicle sticks, and of course we use our handy dandy double-sided tapes again, and just put the sticks upright. Be sure to press them onto the container until we have covered all the surface of the plastic container, and then put some double-sided tape in the middle so we can do the design for this planter using our shorter popsicle sticks. So I've just put these shorter sticks randomly around the container, and I wasn't really sure of what I was doing here, but I had just placed the shorter sticks randomly as long as it covers the double-sided tape around the container, and it turned out looking so good. I could have ended it here, but I want to secure them with a twine again, and I tried to see if I can put the twine in the middle, but I didn't like it, so I've decided to put another layer of the popsicle sticks at the bottom. So with the double-sided tape, I attached another layer of the shorter popsicle sticks around the container. And then added my twine at the bottom to keep up with the theme I had going on from the previous planters. And we're done. So this is the finished planter. So that's it. Those are my DIY planters, mainly using popsicle sticks. You can be more creative by coloring or painting the sticks or staining them and decorating them with whatever you have around the house. Make it more colorful. But I hope you have enjoyed with what I have created today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for part 3 of my planter series where I'll be using a different material. But for now, thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope you stay strong, stay safe. Bye!